In this video, we'll show you how to set up cron jobs in FlyWP quickly and easily. Just pick your server, head to the cron tab, and you're good to go. Now click on Add Cron, and a pop-up window will greet you like an old friend. Add your command, enter the username, and confirm the frequency. You can schedule it to run every minute, hourly, nightly, weekly, monthly, on reboot, or even customize it to your heart's content. For this guide, we're using this handy cleanup commands. They help clear out unnecessary packages and free up disk space. Once you have filled in all the details, click on the Create Cron Job button. Your cron job is created, and that's all it takes. With the new Cron Jobs management feature in FlyWP, automating tasks on your servers is easier than ever. To know more about cron jobs management, dive into the FlyWP documentation for all the details you need to automate tasks seamlessly. Check it out on our website. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.